exercise. What we're doing is very simple, so we'll do it together. Breathe in, bring your foot in and bring the knee up, and then breathe out through the mouth, and then you're circling the foot up and back next to the other leg. And then the left leg, breathe in and breathe out. Right leg, breathe in and breathe out. Left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Now for the extension, it's much the same thing, but what we're going to do is pull the leg in and tuck the head in, and then when we straighten the leg up, you bring your hands round like this and pull your leg up as high as you can, and then relax back next to the other leg like this. Okay, here we go then. Natural breathing and feeling for the muscle changes, and remember, don't hold the extreme position. So bringing your right leg in, tuck your head in, and then straighten up. And the left. Right leg again, tuck the head in, and then straighten your head up, lift, and the same on the other side.